Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is Tarot Young, Feel the Vibes by Beate Staack. I don't know how you say her name. Is it Stark? Okay, so basically she says, or the publishers say rather, haven't you always wanted to have a super nice, great and interesting, ultra mysterious hobby, then get started with the tarot cards reading? This is her here. In this set, well-known tarot influencer Beate Staack, I'm sorry if I'm murdering her name there, but explains the cards in an absolutely authentic and real way, how you can get started with them, interpret them and lay spreads. For each card, she describes situations from your everyday life with light and dark sides, light vibes and dark vibes, that's what she calls them. Because tarot helps you to understand your life better, to get answers to your questions and to listen to your gut feeling, because tarot cards are your life. They are real because tarot is you. I guess she's referring to the wisdom within us. So we all have the answers. We just use them as a tool to tap in. So set with detailed books and 78 tarot cards from Waite and Smith. So it's the Waite Smith deck. So the one that we all train with. All cards explain true to life through everyday situations, keywords. B explains cool reading patterns in additional videos via QR code. So this is a really handy training new deck for somebody that it would appeal to as a younger person. Well, all of us really. We're all forever young, aren't we? Okay, so the book, let's see what the contents are. Right, so she's put a little forward in what you can and can't expect, facts and how to use them, a little bit of tarot history, some troubleshooting tarot prejudices, all the major arcanas. She takes you through the hero's journey as well. So that's like taking you through the major arcana. So that sounds more complicated than it is. But it's a really good understanding to understand the Fool's journey, to help you understand the major arcana. Then you've got the minors, getting hot. So we've got the court cards. Okay. She's got an awful lot of information in here. And then we go into, she will have spreads in here as well. So facts and how to use them. She's simplifying it all for you. Okay. And oh, it's like the levels. So basically she's taking you on the hero's journey, where it's like a game. You know, so like a computer game, I guess, and that you are, these are your levels that you go through to reach the ultimate level, which is obviously 21 the world. It's a very clever concept. So, okay, then you've got the light vibe. So the situation, she explains to you about the light vibe, and then, and do you feel it? So, and the dark vibe. So you've got like light and dark for each of them. Okay, then for every single card, she's got that all the way through. And at the back, so I'm taking forever. There's a lovely piece about the author there, and also some card spreads. Okay, so it's a really, really quite a thick, very thick little book there for you. And here are the cards. Backs are in this style. The quality of the card is good. It's card, very good. Okay, and they are easy to shuffle because they're standard size. They really are. And then she's minimized the picture and then popped the title and the keywords on each of the cards. Now, if you want to speed me up or slow me down, you're in charge of the video by the settings. That's why I like to use them, really, because then you can silence them if you want to and just look at the cards. I never really say too much about keywords because obviously I have Queen and the King. I have, so she's got all of the cups and the swords. So all of the court cards are here at this part of the deck, rather than I should have made sure they were all in a. Then we've got the pentacles. So we're going through the suits then. You can hear their card, can't you, because of the noise they're making. It's a really refreshing feel, actually. I do enjoy a good card. And all of the cups. Swords, lastly. Let me know what you think in the comments. If this is calling to you as the perfect deck to learn with, then I think that's the key, isn't it? Because it's a Rider-Waite one. It's basically about the style that you'll like. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Let me know what you think in the comments and speak to you soon. Bye-bye.